Meanwhile, in Bhoi district, the police department is all geared up for the Lok Sabha elections. Speaking to DD News, additional SP Jason Myrom informed that from the 333 polling stations, 35 are categorized as critical and vulnerable. In relation to the deployment of polling personnel, he informed that personnel will depart to the 89 polling stations today and the personnel for the remaining 244 polling stations will depart tomorrow. 3 violations of Model Code of Conduct were reported in Bhoi district.
Dan live spotlight tali di polling station. Nak kita live spotlight tali, live pesan tali di polling station kiba categorized as critical plus vulnerable. Tapi dia bagi security deployment ni lah pembiang katkom ke ECI norms ni yo live tali di company na po central dia ki live tali company ni lah utilize ban kami ki ka patrolling ka naka checking but kumta terter di community bagi election kan yadbet kan long ka ba yadbet ya ranti tabai dai bagi jinlet jong ki polling personnel support polling station prap kandai tili ki polling station ki yad matas ni ka bangyong ka P-2 asni syo ka polling date
In Ampati, 100 of